You're a douchebag. Hey, don't call me douchebag. Why not douchebag? Because I am not douchebag. Call me Percy the Small Engine. If you call me douchebag one more time, then I will call your normal clone about this. Okay, douchebag, from now on, I will call you Percy the Small Engine. That's it. Go home right now while I call your normal clone about this. No. No. When classic Pato got home. My classic clone. How dare you call Percy the Small Engine a douchebag? You know that not very nice. That's it. You're grounded until Xavier Superstar 2012 gets 1,000 subscribers. Go to your room right now. Why?